forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes.
Nothing wrong with that.
They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
That me say, TV.
Alright guys, so we wanted to let you know that we will be doing a brand new series. It's going to be a 14-part series on our channel, starting with this video that you see coming up. And basically we're going to be touring the 14 parishes of Jamaica. Right, Outlaw?
Yeah.
So we're going to...
We'll do something at every parish.
Yes, that is it. So we're going to go around to... We're driving to all 14 parishes and we are going to be bringing to you something different in that parish, so a place of interest. So it could be something historical to do with that parish, it could be an attraction, it could be something, you know, an eatery, just something different. And the aim of this is to showcase some places that we've never shown before on our channel. Many places we've been to and not necessarily vlogged. True. So we want to give you guys a chance to see some of these places that we've been to. And also, a lot of these places are brand new to us. These are some of these places that we've never been to. Driven past many times, maybe, but I've never stopped and been to that place of interest. So this is our summer of exploring Jamaica. Now, obviously, we can't cover everything. We're doing one thing in each parish, okay?
Yeah, 14 parishes.
In the 14 parishes. If you've got any suggestions, guys, leave them down in the comments. So this is going to be part 1 of 14. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoy this series that we're putting on for you guys. And with that as well, I just want to ask guys, please do watch the ads. We don't like to come in and beg you guys to watch the ads, but it would mean a lot to us because you guys do support us. You watch our videos. We love the support that you get. You interact with us in the comments. But a lot of you don't watch our ads. So to tell you the truth, we really don't make anything off YouTube. We really don't.
So you know, so the ads make everything work.
Yeah, and of course this is something we enjoy doing, but we'd like to reap the benefits as well, like everybody else on YouTube, right? So this is just a friendly reminder. Please guys, can you really support us and watch the ads so we can make at least a little something. You understand, off YouTube. We take time and effort to put videos together. Any YouTuber knows it's not easy. Finding content, driving around, putting gas in the car to get there. Do you know what I mean? Editing takes time. So we'd really appreciate if we could just balance the books.
Yeah,
and at least,
there,
yeah. Anyway, enough about that. Before we go into part 1, we just want to let you know about a brand new product that we are launching very, very soon to the market. It is DMS castor oil. I'm going to make the ad run now. Those of you who follow us on Instagram and TikTok, which is at @ThatMrTV, you guys already know that we have launched our ad for our upcoming product, Black Jamaican castor oil, 100%.
Genuine leather.
Genuine. Tell them a little bit more. What makes our castor oil different from many others?
Yeah, I think you have some people do it and put salt in it.
Yeah.
Salt, not supposed to be in it.
Yes. Our castor oil, our black castor oil does not have salt in it. It's 100% natural. We have a lady that makes it for us from start to finish. She's been making it since she was little. She's a big woman now.
Yes.
And she makes the castor oil for us. Yeah. And we're really excited to launch this product. So guys, we're just putting the ad out to let you know it's coming soon along with some other products. But please, again, do get behind us and support our new business venture, our new product, Jamaican 100% natural black castor oil. All right,
genuine leather.
Genuine. All right guys, we're going to get into this video. So part 1 is in Clarendon, my parish, where I come from, where my people come from. Yes guys, so I really do hope you enjoy this series. Please support us, and until the next time, let me say
it works.
Yes guys, we are at the Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show in Clarendon. Yes, you know Clarendon is my hometown, guys. We in Denbigh, guys. We in Clarendon, my hometown. Yes, people.
We're in Denbigh.
Denbigh at agricultural show. It's our first time here.
Yeah, I'm looking at what I go and see what I go.
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to seeing
part
what's
of the
there.
thing. Clarendon. I don't know where some people come from.
Me. So yes, we are at the Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show. This takes place in Clarendon in Denbigh every single year. It's usually a 3-day event, but because of Hurricane Beryl, it was narrowed down to a 1-day event. This is Outlaw and I's first time, and it didn't disappoint. So as soon as you come through the gates, by the way, tickets were $1,500 for adults. As soon as you step through the gates, there are so many things to see. So there are people selling things, as you can see. There are people advertising different things. And the purpose of this show is I really think it's about educating people on food and farming, agriculture, fisheries, livestock. And so, yeah, we really had a great time. But as soon as you come in, there is so much to see. There are people selling toys, as you can see. If you come here with kids, make sure that you bring your cash, all right? Because they're going to want everything that they see. Jerk chicken, shrimp, fruits, snow cones, candy floss. And then as you walk through the event, I mean, it's massive. As you walk through the event, there are different zones for different things. So there is a zone for fresh produce, there's a zone for the animals, and later down the vlog you'll see some of that as well. The sample something, Clarendon Pavilion. So one of the first stops that we made was to a tent where a presentation was being held, and the person giving the presentation was talking all about farming, different types of soil, how to farm, how to plant. And whilst we didn't stay for the whole presentation, it was really useful. I think this event is really useful for anybody that wants to get into farming, maybe into some type of agriculture. Throughout the day, there were different presentations from different companies and different associations talking about farming, talking about things like how to grow produce. There was presentation from the fisheries department as well. All different presentations. So we decided to stop at this presentation where we saw this man talking about planting.
So one of the reasons why we use fertilizers is to supplement. So every crop needs nutrients, right or wrong? Right. Now, certain crops need certain quantities of nutrients. Whether 200 pounds of potassium, 100 pounds of nitrogen, 50 pounds of phosphorus. Every plant needs a certain amount of nutrient. Now, the soil naturally provides certain quantities of nutrient, but sometimes the quantity is not enough. So you have to supplement it, what the crop needs. So if the soil only have 50 pounds of potassium, but the plant need 100 pounds, how much you have to supplement? 100 pounds, all right? Now block the screen so persons can see. All right? The next reason is to compensate. Plants take nutrients from the soil. And the more you plant, the more the plants take nutrients. How do you put back? And one way is by use of fertilizers. Fertilizer. Is it to supplement, compensate, or to improve? Now,
Really? She'll teach.
alright, now, let me ask a question.
We'll take one or two.
You think that farming is a business, right? Right or wrong? It's a business, good.
Down, but not out.
How many nutrients plants need?
Down, but not out.
Generally, how many nutrients plants need? Remember, I know, it's the most important. And we agree that we have to know the business. So if we are farming, how many nutrients plants need? Some say 3, one say 14.
That big pumpkin, right there. As we continued along, we came across somebody who was showcasing their parrots, different types of birds, and even guinea pigs as well. Now, this is something that I really enjoyed about attending the agricultural, industrial and food show, was that it was almost like you just didn't know what to expect, what you would come across next. Well, certainly for us, as it was our first time. So I really enjoyed taking a look at some of these animals and all the things that they had on display. And you can see people were taking pictures. You had a chance to hold the parrots and some of the animals if you wanted to. There were rabbits as well. Look at this. This is guinea pig. Guinea pig. This is guinea pig, I think. Them are guinea pig, isn't it? You see them like guinea pig. Guinea pig. Alright, so here's a food part now. Okay, then we came to the fresh produce section where you could have a chance to have a look and buy fresh produce. And here is Outlaw giving us a lesson on what he could identify.
Rosemary. About 3 different types of meat there, and rosemary.
Oh, rosemary, yeah, that's rosemary.
Yeah, rosemary there.
That's
The thyme there.
Thyme, yeah. Thyme, rosemary.
About 3 different types of meat there. Peppermint there. This one is mint. Coming out to the store, so that's
Okay.
I have to keep the thing fresh. Yeah, man. Keep them hydrated. So this is what?
That is time.
Time this? And that one is time. Different type of time.
No, but through this time when I'm doing plant.
Okay.
And those are rosemary.
Rosemary, me have familiar with that, and peppermint. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Guava. It's a Guinness.
Guinness?
Yeah, it's a Guinness. It's a guava. Mango.
Yeah.
Tamarind.
See how he knows them all just by looking at the leaves.
Orange. Okay.
So as we were making our way around the fresh produce section, I spotted one person selling sweet pepper, green sweet pepper. See it there? I had to ask her how much, because if you watch my last video, food shortage in Jamaica, a pound of sweet pepper is currently $1,000. She told me $800 for a pound, so still expensive because it's still very scarce. But there were loads of other fresh produce and it all looked really good. Carrot. The peppers are big, but still expensive there. Look at them carrots. Oh, they're massive. Look at the size of the carrots, people. Them carrots are big. Oh, look at them carrots there. That's it. Right there. Look at the size of that.
Big carrot.
Then we came across a section where I guess young business owners and entrepreneurs were showcasing things that they had made. There was a lot of people selling castor oil, tonic wine, handmade jewelry, creams, lotions, potions,
hair and skincare products. We're first for growing hair and glowing skin.
Okay.
So with us today we have our oats, turmeric and oats sugar scrub that's great for hyperpigmentation.
Oh yeah.
Another section this way. We also have our oats and neem moisturizing cream.
Oh, neem in it as well. That's very
For
good. Yeah.
eczema, good moisturizer. And we also have our aloe oats like wash. It is very great for like cleansing the skin, the face, and especially if you have eczema.
That's aloe and oats. Aloe and oats.
Yeah.
Okay. And the soaps. Because turmeric's good as well for hyperpigmentation, right?
So we have the soap, turmeric and ginger soap. We have our mango charcoal soap with bentonite clay. We have neem soap with honey and cinnamon and aloe for tomatoes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where can people find you?
Oh wow.
Okay, nice. Give us that.
So I can give you a sample of it.
Okay. So check these people out.
A sample of our mango charcoal soap with mango
okay.
juice.
Oh,
By the way,
wow.
we are Darkness of TV.
Okay.
Look, guys.
And we also have like castor oil as well. So you know,
Oh,
for the
yes,
diaspora, peppermint and all of that.
Okay, guys, you must make sure you check them out. Look, there's the details there. I put the details on the screen as well, and they've given us a sample, which is live. Check them out. There.
Oh, you said you were saying the name of you.
Darkness of TV. Darkness of TV. Patois style. DATMISEH.
Patois style.
Patois, not Papa English. DATMISEH TV. Darkness of TV.
Check them out, guys.
Yeah, Darkness of TV.
There's so many people selling products. Pictures like the mango milk, sweet salsa.
That magazine.
Yeah, it is. Kimberly, pomegranate. And that's what
Oh, lychee.
Oh, that's what I definitely want one of them. When I have the space.
When you have the space.
Yeah.
And everywhere them growing up.
Guys, all of the things. Look, there's a big something there, look.
Yeah. I cup that.
Yeah.
Color on the cup.
Get them nice yellow flowers over there. Them nice yellow flowers. Getting the snow cone in soft huts.
Them things are salad, you know? Them things are salad.
Hanging. Guys, we must know, guys, it's so hot out here. Trust me, it's baking, boiling. You need this to come in. Look how nice it looks. So refreshing. So refreshing. Yes, guys. It's a good look.
It's a hot day.
It is hot today. It's a hot day. It's difficult because it's hot. But it's nice. It's miserably hot, but it's nice out here. With all the activities and the things. Good for families.
Yeah.
Only for food. If you're in Jamaica in August, come and check it out. It's usually over 3 days, but because of Hurricane Beryl, it's just over 1. But check it out. Then we came across Mr. Campbell, who came all the way from St. James to display and sell his fresh produce. Guys, look what he has to sell. But listen, wait until the end to hear what he has to say.
Oh, they're pretty, yes, man. Look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah, they're pretty for real, man. Yeah, no, brother. Come over back this one. Ginger. What's your ginger?
No, man.
Only for banana. Pine and ginger. Nice pumpkin there.
Yo, press I pumpkin seller.
Tell him what you want.
Has to say.
Said I want to go to England
Uh-huh.
and I want to go with one of your friends. So you know what you do? Take my number, please, and give it to one of your
Alright,
best
what's your number?
friends. Eh?
Your number.
371686685.
Okay.
Bam.
And your name?
Ridley Campbell.
Ridley Campbell. We might be related, Mr. Campbell, because I'm Campbell as well, you know.
Well, that's it. That sounds even better.
Alright, Mr. Campbell. You take care, alright?
So
Thank
listen, you tell him meet one of your brother.
Yeah,
tell
man.
him you come to Jamaica and meet one of your brother.
Yeah.
And he needs to go to England.
Okay.
So,
They'll be in good hands, yeah?
good hands.
Okay, then. You look after them. Okay, then. Alright.
Alright, cool, yeah?
Yeah.
Mr. Campbell's a joker, innit? But anyway, who knew there were so many different type of goat breeds? Look at all these different type of goats. Alright, then it was onto the animal section. Now, this is an opportunity for people who have cows and goats and pigs and sheep to bring some of their cattle and some of their livestock to the show for people to have a look at. But it's also a chance to advertise themselves as well. And what you find is that behind or in front or somewhere in these stables or barns, there are names of the people who own the cows and own the goats. So if you're interested, then you know that, you know, Mr. Campbell or Mr. Thompson or, you know, Mr. Williams are the owners, and if you want to buy cattle, then they're the people that you can get in contact with. But it was really good just to see some live cattle, live livestock, up close and personal.
That's it.
Go around.
I want to grab one.
There was a dedicated area for the children, which was really good.
The
And
fire
then
brigade is out
I
as
saw
well.
this, the fire brigade was out teaching
Educating
and
and teaching
educating
people.
people on services they provide, what to do in case of a fire.
Little dummy. See a little dummy right there. It's a dummy. He thought it was a person, look. But this is all about teaching and educating people, isn't it? About how the brigade works and I guess all of that kind of good stuff. Fire prevention and all those things. So they've got all the things out there, which is good. Yeah, talking to young people. Mining quality division. There's lots of different stuff going
Over them head, and all I want to hear is noise, because I'm a noise monger. Okay, cool, come here. Are you ready now? Alright, hold on, let me first identify anybody. See it again?
Research and development.
It's a fisheries. There's everything over there.
Yeah, man, where they close? Alright, thank you.
No, him right already, I'm not laughing. Him right already. They give me 2 pence, relax, thanks. One is my friend. This is start back your back to.
Then it was time for me to embarrass myself by entering a quiz, which I knew I didn't know any of the answers to, but here we go. I'm in the competition, guys.
Yeah, she been in it.
Oh no,
Alright, so you're going on.
What's the question?
Alright, the question is, what is the name of our local oyster species?
Oh god.
What's the name of
Can I
what?
Google it? Can I Google it? What's the name of our local oyster species?
Not sure.
You're not sure? I'm not sure.
Look at some people there, sir.
What is it?
Once again, it's called the Parishes of Gratitude.
Let me try one more time. I know I don't know the answer to any of these. Try again, please.
What's the answer?
Alright, what is the season for Caribbean special?
Oh, so it's off season now, right? Like, so from July, the low season. May, June, April, January, February, March.
It's a period, so from which month to which month?
Oh, so alright then from January to May or January to June. Now what is it?
From April 1st to January.
Okay, thank you. I didn't win anything. Guys, you see that? I don't know anything at all about anything. She did say I could get a pen, how sweet of her. But I'm learning, so stay with me. I'm still learning. And as we make our way out of the agricultural show and back towards our car, you can see there are so many different vendors on the outside as well. So it's a great opportunity not only for those people that are inside selling goods, but it's also an opportunity for people to pitch tent, right, and sell their goods on the outside too. We had a really great day, and I'd encourage anybody that's here in August time, or if you've not been before, to explore the Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show next year. Alright guys, look out for part 2 of this 14-part series exploring the 14 parishes of Jamaica. What parish should we visit next? Thanks for watching. Until the next time, like we said.
Car park down here was $500 because it's further. First one